Okay, so my whole feed now is AI avatars, and I'm guessing yours looks exactly the same. Everyone shows how to film yourself in a plain white t-shirt and swap it out for a digital version. Same face, but different outfit and different location. Super likeness and very impressive. I say this as someone who used my own avatar in my last YouTube video when I talked about how AI killed my income. So please, no judgment here. So look, if you actually want to try to create your digital avatar, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn this video into that video. Completely free, no subscription, nothing to pay for, just the free tools, a template that I'm already built, and the exact prompt I use. So let's get into it. Okay, grab the link from the description and open it in Google Chrome. When you follow the link, you will land on my template. Now sign up and button, and you will land on Vivi registration page. You can sign up for free. You can use Google account, Figma, Microsoft account, whatever you have. I will log in with Google account. And now you need to hit this yellow button, duplicate to my files. And now you can edit this template. When you first signed up, you get 150 free credits. Every time you generate something, an image, a video, those credits go down. So we want to be smart about this. And I will show you exactly how to save your credits for the final generation video, which cost around 50 credits, and don't spend them before you get there. Once you're in, you will land in the nodes. This is basically Visual Builder. Each step of the process is its own little node, and you connect them together. Every step uses the AI model, but actually best the specific thing. For images, one model, for video, another. And if you never used the node system before, don't let it scare you. It sounds more technical than it is. Basically, the problem with most AI video platforms is that they force you to use their own built-in image generator, and you don't get a choice. Here we are doing something smarter, and we are taking the best image tool, which is Nano Banana Pro, and combine it with the best video movement tool, which is Kling. Each one does what it's actually good at, and think of it like a pipeline. Your phone video handles the physics, your Nano Banana Pro image handles the style, and Kling just brings it all together. That's the whole secret. And the reason I love this approach, you see the whole picture at once. And like building with blocks at once, you have the template set up, you can scale it, automate it, change just a few lines in the prompt and get a completely different result. So in the next video, I will show you what each tool is actually good at and how to use them without burning through your time and credits. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. In this template, there are a few nodes. There are prompt that tells the AI to replicate movement from a reference video. There is a node for your phone video, just you, playing background, playing class. There is a node for your generate image, you, but different outfit, different location. And there is the final output node. Mine came out really well actually, and you can do this too. First, film a short video of yourself on your phone. It seriously doesn't matter where you are and how you look like. We are replacing all of it anyway. I filmed my video against a white plain wall, white hoodie, messy hair, totally fine. And one important thing here, the video should be between 3 and 10 seconds, no shorter than 3 seconds and no longer than 10 seconds. That's it. Second, we need to generate an image of you in different location and different outfit, whatever you want. Now you could do this inside the Vivi, but then you would burn through all your free credits before the final video. Don't do that, please. My advice: generate this image somewhere else first. On my Instagram, I'm shared 3 options. Check this reel and choose the option that fits you best. In this video, I'm showing you how to do it in Gemini. It's completely free. It uses Nano Banana Pro model for image generation, which is actually really good. So take a screenshot of any frame from your phone video where you can clearly see your face. Then find an image or the outfit you want to be wearing. I grabbed this green t-shirt, a white cap, some headphones from a Google image search. Then add a location you like. Mine was a workspace with pink lighting. Yours could be a city street, a park, a kitchen, actually anything. Go to Gemini and upload it. Now the prompt. I'm going to read it out here so you can actually understand what's happening, not just copy-paste blindly. So the prompt says, generate a photorealistic image of this person, keep the exact original person, facial features, pose, the body proportions, and ensure the skin texture is completely natural, highly detailed and realistic. So, the style, the hair, the dress, the swap, the original background, introduce the soft kinematic studio lighting, yes, and 16:9. And at the very end, I added the aspect ratio. I went with 16:9 since I use it for a video. You can use whatever format is good for you, but you definitely need to point it out, otherwise Gemini will just default to square image. Also, if your first results looks a bit off, don't panic. Try changing one thing at a time. Usually it's either the lighting description or the body proportions that's the problem. I will leave the exact prompt I used in Patreon, so you can start from there and adjust it. And one more thing here, and this one is important. Sometimes Gemini changes your face to mine. You upload your photo and the result looks like a cousin of you. Related, but not quite right. If that happens, add these words to your prompt. Maintain the exact eye shape, facial asymmetry, and pose structure of the reference photo. Do not smooth or changes the facial features. So, yeah, basically, if you tell the model my face is not a suggestion, it's a blueprint, and lock it. That one can make a huge difference. Paste the prompt, hit submit, and done, your image is ready. Okay, now the fun part. This is actually where the magic happens. Go back to Vivi and open my template. So, you see this is template, and now you need to drag in the video that you filmed on your phone. This goes into the movement reference node. Then add the image you just generated in Gemini. You should choose this one and put it here. Now we need to run Blink an eye. This is the model doing the video generation. Quick check before you hit the run. Your prompt is connected to the Kling node. Your phone video is connected to the Kling node, and your Gemini image is connected to the Kling node. And now hit the run model, and boom. And here you should hit the yellow button accept, and generation has started. So while we wait, here's how this actually works. The phone video is the search of all the movement, head position, your hands, your body, and the image generated in Gemini, that's you in the new outfit, new location, and it becomes the visual reference that gets animated using that movement. And the prompt ties it all together. This is how it works. And actually, this is why Kling works best, and I think it's the right model for this step. Not every AI video model can take both movement reference and an image reference at the same time. Most of them do one or the other, and Kling does both. This is exactly what makes the whole thing possible. And that's the reason this specific combination of tools works when ours don't. Generation takes a little while, but it's free, And when it's done, you will see your credits went down. Now mine was 100 credits. And at the final, you will see your avatar moving exactly like you did in the phone video, but in completely different outfit and location. So it's really cool. Okay, can we be honest for the second here? Please don't pretend that everything in AI comes out perfect on a first try, because it absolutely doesn't. I'm a little tired of tutorials that show you the final clean result and skip the attempts that came before it. So let me tell you what actually happened when I made mine. First attempt. I filmed my first video at my desk, like moving around, talking. Huge mistake. The final avatar ended up with 4 fingers. My lips were super weird and my all movements were super unnatural. My second attempt, I forgot to match angles from phone video and Gemini image. The image was slightly above and the video was straight on. When Kling tried to animate it, my head started rotating in a creepy way. So here what I learned, and you don't have to repeat my mistakes. Plain light backgrounds, same angle in your video and your image. Move slowly, don't shake your hands. And the last one, don't talk on video. Now you're probably wondering, okay, but if I can't talk on video because it's glitches above, so how can I make a talking head video? Okay, it's a good question, and here's the option how you can do it. You generate your cam, slightly nodding, your avatar, no talking, just presence. Then you bring your video into CapCut or DaVinci and record your voiceover separately. And then you can use 11 labs or sync labs to map your audio back onto your video. It sounds like an extra steps. Honestly, it's the only way to get the results that doesn't look like a broken video game. And the final output looks completely real. These generations might not come out right on the first try, but with a bit of patience you can get a really good result. I use mine in YouTube. You could use yours on Instagram or TikTok, wherever. You probably can't use this avatar on real paid project, but it's super fun to play around, You can change your face, your background, your outfit. I put together a full guide with exact prompt I use, plus ready-to-use Vivi template. It's all completely free on my Patreon, link in description. If this tutorial was helpful, give this video a like. It generally helps more people to find it. And if you know another way to create AI avatar for free, drop it in comments. I want to know. So see you in the next video. Bye.